Up first here at 6 o'clock, a tax refund nightmare. One local woman who you see here got her check over a week ago, but she can't deposit it, all because of an IRS mistake.
Tonight, RTV6's Nicole Griffin is working to find out what happened and what you can do if you face a similar situation.
It's, of course, an exciting time to get your tax refund check in the mail. But one woman here in Lebanon says when she took her check to the bank, she quickly realized her last name was wrong. Instead of saying Marsha Bentley, her check says Marsha Harney, which is actually her street name.
It's Harney. And Harney Drive, they screwed up somehow. Because my real last name is Bentley, just like the car.
Marsha Bentley says she is out of options on how to get her tax refund check corrected, which has the wrong last name.
And then I remembered you guys. And I thought, I'm going to call them and see if they can help me.
So far, she's talked to her bank, her attorney, and waited on the phone for hours with the IRS, going through the options, but never reaching a customer service representative.
It's been very frustrating because my lawyer didn't know what to do, and I needed to pay them. That was what I was going to use this, was to pay them. And then the bank couldn't help me everywhere I talked. And then I'd call, and I'd be on the lines for hours with IRS and not get any response back.
After talking with Marsha, I called the IRS media contact to try to find out what she needed to do. They advised that she called the IRS national toll-free number and talk to a representative, but that's something she's already done and couldn't get anyone on the phone.
I just don't want anybody else to go through this. And I just really can't believe that this could happen.
I found a tip online with TurboTax that explains the numbers you need to press in order to get a representative on the phone to answer questions, and it worked. Marsha now has a plan to get a new check issued. She just has to void it, mail it in, and will hopefully get a new check with the correct last name. Nicole Griffin, RTV6.
Thanks, Nicole. And the IRS toll-free number it's suggested you use if you have issues is 1-800-829-1040. You also have the option of scheduling an appointment at your local IRS office. There are 10 locations across the state, including one in Indianapolis. The IRS also says right now is a very busy time to call and get a representative on the phone. They recommend calling later in the day or even later in the week. An ideal time is Friday after 5.